In this video, I'm going to show you how to share and transfer a Premiere Pro project with someone else so that they can open it in another computer. So to do this, first thing you got to do is click on File on the top left hand corner and then click on Project Manager. From here, make sure you selected the sequence that you want to share, and then also make sure that Collect Files and Copy to New Location is also selected, and then click on Browse and select the location where you want to save the project with the files, and then click on OK. After that, Premiere's gonna save the project in that location. Now if you want to share it with someone else, all you gotta do is share the folder that Premiere Pro created in that location, and once they open the folder, it is going to look something like this. Now to open the project in another computer, all you gotta do is click on the file with the Premiere Pro logo, and it's gonna open up the project like this. And that's it. If this video was helpful, please give it a like, and I'll see you on my next one.